Model 2017 Peugeot BOXER 435L4X long wheelbase, 2.0 BlueHDi H2 professional van 130 PS Euro 6 ULEZ compliant spares OR repair grin. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 180,618. MOT the 11th of May 2024. Engine 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none runner, timing belt has jumped, shredded its teeth, engine is out of timing, has fault codes to confirm, easy repair to get this back on the road. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 keys, air con, parking sensors, sat nav, electric windows, cruise control.